정성은, and the topic of my presentation is rain. First, I will explain what rain is, and second, I'll tell you the causes of rain, and third, I'll explain safety precautions, and lastly, we'll see video. What is rain? Rain is water droplets that have condensed from atmospheric water vapor and then fall under gravity. It is major component of the water cycle. It is also responsible for depositing most of the fresh water on the earth. It provides water for hydroelectric power plants, crop irrigation, and suitable conditions for ecosystems. Causes of rain. Clouds are made of water droplets. First, the water or ice evaporates and it rises from Earth's surface into the atmosphere. Second, the water vapor turns into clouds when it cools and condenses. And third, cloud droplets grow big enough to fall out of the clouds. Safety precautions. First, you should avoid walking in the rain. And second, equip yourself with an umbrella or a raincoat. Third, be careful not to fall in the manhole.
When you started your presentation, you could have mentioned today's weather. Yeah, how timely the topic.
Let's look at the science of rain and how raindrops fall. First, we'll need the sun. When the sun shines on water on the Earth's surface, the heat of the sun warms the water, turning it into an invisible gas called water vapor. This process, the changing of water into a gas, is called evaporation. Because gases are lighter than liquids, water vapor rises up into the sky. And the further you move up and away from the Earth's surface, the colder the temperature gets. So in the sky, the water vapor cools and changes back into tiny water droplets. This change is called condensation and is the opposite of evaporation. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets, so when condensation occurs in the sky, clouds form and grow. Let's take a closer look. When water droplets bump into one another, they stick together and grow in size. They continue to grow until they are too heavy and fall as rain. They even grow as they bump into one another on their journey from the cloud to the ground. And every single raindrop that reaches the ground is made up of 1 million of the original tiny water droplets. Raindrops fall on the ground surface where the sun can shine on them, and the whole process happens again. This is called the water cycle and keeps water moving from the ground to the sky, providing the water needed for plants, animals, and people to survive. So now you know.
그 취소.
The first question is, what is rain?
Tiny droplet that is condensed in cloud and falls to ground by gravity.
Tell one safety precautions of rain.
Be careful not to fall into the
Thank you.